Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing about the topic the differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. That is the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So let me write down the topic. That is differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So we'll see the difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So the first difference is that the prokaryotes don't have double nuclear membrane, whereas the eukaryotes have double membrane bound nucleus. So the first point is prokaryotes, they don't have nuclear membrane, whereas the eukaryotes have double nuclear membrane, double walled nuclear membrane. Now, the second point of difference is about the type of ribosome. So in the prokaryotes, the ribosome is 70S, and in eukaryotes, the ribosome is 80S. Ribosome. Nature of ribosome. In prokaryotes, it is 70S, whereas in eukaryotes, it is 80S. Although the eukaryotic organelles like mitochondria and the chloroplast, they have 70S ribosome. Now, the third point of difference is that prokaryotes mostly they have only one chromosome, whereas eukaryotes have more than one chromosome. Okay. Now, the fourth point of difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotic is that is reproduction. So reproduction in prokaryotes mostly takes place by the phenomena of budding or binary fission. So this is for reproduction, and in case of eukaryotes, the reproduction occurs through the process of mitosis or meiosis. Okay. Now, number 5. So in prokaryotes, the histone proteins are absent. Means the histones helps in the packaging of the DNA molecule into the nucleus of the cell. So histones are absent. Whereas in the eukaryotic cell, histones present. So histones helps in the packaging of the DNA, and it compacts and coils the DNA into the small space of the nucleus. Next, numbering is wrong. Okay, fine. Next, point number 6. The difference is that the prokaryotes don't have much complex membrane bound cytoplasmic organelles. So they don't have complex membrane bound cytoplasmic organelle, whereas the eukaryotes have cytoplasmic organelles which are complex and membrane bound. For example, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, peroxisomes, glyoxysomes, and so on, etc. Next, so I am erasing these 6 differences. Then we will start with the 7th difference. The 7th difference is that is RNA polymerase. The prokaryotes have only one type of RNA polymerase. Enzyme. Whereas the eukaryotes have 3 different types of RNA polymerase. that is RNA polymerase 1, RNA pol 1, which helps in the synthesis of rRNA, that is ribosomal RNA. RNA polymerase 2, which helps in the synthesis of mRNA or the messenger RNA, and RNA polymerase 3, which helps in the synthesis of tRNA or transfer RNA. Now, this is the 7th point of difference. Now, the 8th point is that, so we have seen that they have only one type of RNA polymerase, these are 3 types of RNA polymerase. Now, the prokaryotes have flagella and cilia, which are less complex, flagella, cilia. So flagella and cilia, these are the locomotive organs. They helps in the prokaryotic cell to move from one place to another. They also helps in the attachment of the prokaryotic cell to the surface or to the bottom, to the surface of some other material. So, and they have more complex, eukaryotic cell have more complex flagella, cilia, locomotory organs. Now, the 9th difference is that the prokaryotic, the 9th difference between the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes is that prokaryotic cells have very less complex microtubules or the cytoskeleton proteins, less complex cytoskeleton system, whereas the eukaryotes have more complex cytoskeleton system, more complex, less complex, more complex cytoskeleton system. It is consisted of other motor proteins like tyrosine, dynein. So those complex systems are present in case of the eukaryotes. Then that is sterol. In case of the prokaryotes, sterol is absent. Sterol is absent, like cholesterol. So sterol is absent, exception is that except mycoplasmas, whereas in case of the eukaryotes, sterol is present. Sterol is present. Okay, and the last point of difference is point number 11 is about the cell wall. So the last point of difference is about the cell wall. Number 11, cell wall is present and is made of peptidoglycan. Made of bacterial cell wall is made of peptidoglycan. Okay, whereas in the eukaryotes, what happens? The plant cell has cell wall. Plant cell has cell wall, and its cell wall, plant cell have cell wall which is made of cellulose. The fungi or the fungal cells have cell wall. Fungal cells have cell wall which is made up of chitin. But the cell wall is absent in case of the animal cell. So cell wall absent in case of animal cells. So here I have summed up the major differences between the prokaryotic and the eukaryotic cell. So if you have liked this video so far, so please hit the like button, subscribe and share this video. Until then, bye bye.